Falling. It's a little tough to make it stand, but this is a 1M, as you all can see. And 1 second, I'm trying to place it. You'll hold it? No, it's not on you. This is and I did a special photo shoot for you all, and with this right here, which is 1 million huge ass balloon, which All Things Happy curated for me. So thank you, All Things Happy. You guys are the best. And my friend also sent me a cake, which I've cut and eaten now, but I will still show it to y'all. But this is the balloon. Happy 1 million. Hi. What is happening with y'all? Acha, you put the fan off for that. Hello. Thank you, Shruti. Thank you. I did not think it'll happen today, so I planned the photo shoot that if it'll happen later, I'll post it whenever. So I wanted to do a pre-photo shoot, and I crossed 1 million by evening. So thank you all. Yatharth, you want to eat? Cake was so pretty. Cake was beautiful. I still have a little which has a 1 on it. The M I ate up of the million, but I've done the photo shoot, so you guys will see the pictures of the cake that my friend Rajul curated for me. I don't know if she's live right now because she was messaging me sometime back. So thank you, Rajul, if you're here. And she basically owns the Stone Age Crumble, which she makes cakes, cookies, brownies, and all of that. So once you'll see the cake, if you like it, please contact her. So special thanks to Horil Humad for shooting my pictures today, and to Shruti also for doing my makeup. Really sweet of you guys. So you guys are gonna love the photo shoot. Thanks, Sonia. I'm glad you like the cake. There's more whenever you need. And हिंदी में बोले थैंक यू, धन्यवाद. हम 1 मिलियन पहुंच चुके हैं, और मैंने एक स्पेशल फ़ोटो शूट किया है आज आप सबके लिए, जो कल आपको दिखेगा, या आज एक्चुअली सिंस हो गया 1 मिलियन मैं पोस्ट कर दूंगी थोड़े टाइम में. बट ये है जो मेरे घर पे आया है 1 मिलियन की खुशी में. इसको पता नहीं कहाँ रखेंगे, बट आई डोंट वांट टू गिव इट अवे. आई वांट टू कीप दिस. My mom's saying I'll send her out, but keep this to make space at home. But this is it, guys. We're 1 million. It's surreal, like it's not yet kicked in. Probably I was on Instagram since the last 10 years. So 10 years later, we've touched 1 million, which is a decade, which is not bad. But I was also a private account for almost 2 years. But yes. Thank you guys. Oh, this is how I can see the comments. I was wondering, there's this new Instagram update. I'm gonna read your messages personally, and thank you all. Thank you Shruti. You can post the stories now if you like. Thank you. I shall show you all the cake. Thanks, Kajol. Missed you today. Hey. Hello. What is up with y'all? Actually, I should show you all the cake any which ways before I cut it. The second half. Just hold with me. Bear with me. I shall show you the cake to y'all. This is just half of the cake that I'm showing you, because half we cut and ate, which y'all will see in the pictures. But still, since we just crossed 1 million, let me share this joy with y'all. So I'm gonna show you all the cake. This is a part of it, but all thanks to Rajul. Here you go. So she made like a double layer cake, so there was cake even below this, one more layer which we finished. But this is how it looked. This is the pretty decorations. Can you see? She actually added hashtags and hearts and stuff and smileys, which is so innovative and creative. So thank you, Stone Age Crumble, once again. I am going to save this live so you guys can watch it whenever. So this is what I received: the cake, these balloons, and yeah. Thank you. What is this? It's a cake my friend made for me since I was crossing 1 million. Nice cake. Yeah, it's beautiful. Here, have a closer look. This is how it is, and then I've cut it, so I'll show you the inside. It's a peanut butter chocolate cake. So this is like chocolate and peanut butter flavored. She's amazing. So here, thank you. Everyone wants the cake. Come home. Come over, Navratan. I'll give you cake then. Thanks, Shania. Thank you. Couple, thanks. We have to celebrate now, so you have to sing and get your guitar. Thanks, Suhana. Thanks, Viraj. Thank you, Swati. Miss you guys. I wish you guys were in Bombay. We could have all celebrated together. And thank you, thank you, thank you. So I am glad. Thanks. People are sending me personal messages also. But it was fun. I had a fun day. We were up since morning planning the shoot for y'all. So it's a special shoot and I shall share it with y'all soon. I didn't even celebrate my birthday, I think, like the way I celebrated crossing 1 million. But it was fun. Thanks. Hey Ujjwal. Hi Raghav. What's up? Hi. Thanks Ujjwal. Everyone wants to see the cake. Okay, 1 second. I'll show the cake again for all those who missed it. Here. This is the cake again for y'all. This is what it looked like. So if y'all want to take a screenshot, go ahead. I'm holding it for y'all here. You can tag me. Cake is not touched. It seems. Oh, this is just half of the cake. Wait till you see the photograph. But thanks, all things happy. Thank you, Stone Age Crumble. Thank you, Rajul and Dulari. Really, really sweet of y'all. So I'm just very, very happy. Even Dishak. Oh, I also got a personal magazine made for me. Wait, let me show y'all that. Where's the magazine?
In your room.
In my room. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna show y'all the magazine, which is very, very nice, very, very thoughtful of Dishak, who also clicks a lot of my pictures and is super sweet. So let me show you all the magazine. Oops, see. This is my makeup right now is on. This is what Shruti did for me and she's amazing. So this is the magazine that my friends made for me for turning 1 million. It's a personal curated magazine on my name. First time on a magazine cover. Thank you. It's called Kobo and Convo and it's really, really sweet of them. I love this picture. I'm so gonna get this framed in my room because this is an insane click by Dishak and he's also put a little of my tiny pictures which says 1 million. So sweet. I am so happy. Thank you, Rohan. So sweet. Thank you, Sadhya. So this is the magazine that they curated for me. It is so pretty. Just look at it. And they've written such sweet words, yeah. Dishak and Aditi. Special thanks to Aditi who actually did all of this too. And it's really, really sweet. I love the way they made the magazine. It's not my birthday, guys. Sonia Zaghi, people are wishing me, guys. It's not my birthday. It's just that I crossed 1 million on Instagram just today. So this is all my character names they've mentioned. Siali, Aditi, Shanaya, Kusum, Sudha, Chavi. They actually mentioned all the characters and roles that I've played so far. I love this. Thank you, guys. This is really sweet. Here you go. And this is Dishak and Aditi. Thank you. I love you guys too. So thanks for the magazine again. This is me. Yes, that is me for crossing 1 million. I get this gift. So thank you guys. You are so sweet. Someone's saying I'm ready to marry you. But I'm not ready, na. I want to see this magazine. I will show it to you. I'll send it to you. I'll send you home. Oh, you can come down, Sonia. You can come over. What else is up? But honestly, it's been a journey. It's been 10 years on Instagram. Time flies. Before that, it was Facebook. But like, I never thought that I would end up making a career out of like a social media app. I don't think anyone thought about that. But with the times changing, this is it. And it's all thanks to y'all, honestly. It's because you guys have always loved me, supported me, and oh, you are one in a million, someone says. Thank you. That's really sweet. But yeah, I never saw this day coming, but it was always like that, you know. Like when I remember when I crossed 500k, I was shooting for Warrior High, and my profile was private. And I think my producer and everyone told us that, you know, make your profile public, and since your show is on air, it'll, you know, gain a lot of traction. And I remember I went back home, and before sleeping, I made my account public to the audience. And the next day when I woke up, from around 5 to 10k, I reached 200 or 300k overnight. My followers shot up to 200, 300k. So that was the love I received initially when I made my profile public on Instagram. And today we are a family of a million, which is not even many years later, like 3-4 years later. So that's not bad. So thank you guys for always being there, to another millions more, and to loads of love. Congratulations. Thank you. Sonia's getting messages from my followers. Thank you. Where do we get that magazine? Well, you can contact Dishak or Aditi. I shall put their tag and handle, and I think they have a page for this. It's called Kovo, Covo, the country of Vortex. This is the magazine. And thanks, Manisha. What's up? Shout out de do. Acha. What are you doing? I am home. I was actually just gonna sit and like change my I did change my clothes like for my photo shoot, and remove my makeup, and like remove my like extensions and stuff, and just relax. And then I said, you know what, let me just check if I've hit a million, just random. And I checked, and yeah, it is a million, guys. I was just checking it downstairs only. I've been checking it throughout today. Like, you know, how much is it crossed? And trust me, like from 990k to a million was so fast. Hey Megha, thank you. I missed you. I wish you were here. We could have celebrated. But we will celebrate again soon. We'll go on a trip. Dubai se dekh raha hu, my dear. Okay, thanks. When's your next web series? Well, nothing in the pipeline right now, and soon I shall keep you posted. Stone Age Crumble is here, guys. Stone Age Crumble is who made the yummy cake, and they're saying congratulations. Thank you for making my day today so special, for making this 1 million so special. Thank you so much. Yay. Thank you. People are sending me engagement ring and all. Ring cause that emoticon. But this is so sweet. I really wanted to do this. I know I do not come live very often, but I always make it a point to do it on special occasions. I do come live on special occasions. I am going to post. Yes, I am going to post the pictures not right after the live, because my photographer is still editing them. So by tonight or tomorrow for sure. I just took a post up live, so I cannot post something back to back. But yeah, I am glad. Hindi says here, Hindi. Okay. हिंदी में ठीक है, मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकती हूँ. आप लोग बताइए आपको क्या जानना है हिंदी में, मैं बात करती हूँ. Who's saying? Hey, also special thanks to all my fan clubs right here. Right, one is right here. Sanapithawala _Diku. You have always been there, and thank you so much. You are definitely a very strong part of this 1 million family too. Thanks for always being there and supporting me and pushing me to do better. Thank you, Kainas. Miss you. Come home. Thank you. So yeah, I think my fan clubs also deserve a huge congratulations. Congratulations to y'all, because we made it. And thank you. My mom shouting at me for leaving the cake outside in the hall. So yes, this is why I came live today, because I wanted to thank you all, and we have touched 1 million finally, so too many more. Love you guys. Thank you so much for always being there again. I cannot stop saying thank you because I'm so overwhelmed right now, and without you all it would not be even like close to 1 million ever. So it's just y'all. This is just the beginning. Thank you. Yes, it is. Hopefully, inshallah. So, thank you guys. I shall do a live very soon again. But thanks for joining in. Thanks for congratulating me. And see you guys soon. I shall keep posting. There's a lot of content actually. I have shot like a lot of content. I'm so confused right now what to post each day because there's just so much on my feed right now that I cannot like. I don't know what to post and what not to. But yeah. I'm gonna put the cake in the fridge. Thank you. So thank you guys, and see you all soon. This was a fun live session. I am just very overwhelmed right now, I think, so I'm not able to really react like, oh my god, or like I don't know. But thanks. Someone saying cool. Let me see. I'm just seeing who all are sending me a request to come on live. I'm thinking if I should add someone, or maybe I'll do like a proper live session soon so that I can add you all and speak to you all. Right now it's 10 o'clock. I haven't had dinner since I started shooting in the afternoon, so I'll do a live again soon. So thanks for joining in. It was a fun live session, and congratulations to us. 1 million. Bye. Love you all.